Hello students of class 10th, I am Rakhi Sharma. Students, let's we start the next point of our long walk to freedom, Nelson Mandela. Students, in these points, Mandela said, later as a young man in Johannesburg, I yearned for the basic and honorable freedoms of achieving my potential, of earning my keep, of marrying and having a family. It means after spending his childhood with freedom, Mandela became a young man in Johannesburg, and it comes the yarn, it means warm feeling. After becoming a young man, the feeling of warmth has come in Mandela's heart, and he want to get the honorable freedom. Potential, it means possibly, and the freedom not to be obstructed in a lawful life. But then I slowly saw that not only was I not free, but my brother and sister were not free. It means Mandela said, I earned money and I married, and now I had a family. That time in a lawful life, the freedom is not easy and obstructed. It means absent mind. But slowly, I noticed that not only he but also his brother and sister were not free in South Africa. And I saw that it was not just my freedom that was curtailed, but the freedom of everyone who looked like I did. That is when I joined the African National Congress, and that is when the hunger for my own freedom became the greater hunger for the freedom of my life. It means Mandela felt that it was not just his freedom that was curtailed. Curtailed, it means to reduce for whom who are looked like him. So, seeing that rules of law for the black people in South Africa, Mandela joined the African National Congress, and that was when the hunger for his own freedom, it increased the greater hunger for the freedom of his people. So it was this desire for the freedom of my people to live their lives with dignity and self respect that animated my life. It means it was that desire for freedom of his people which they could live their lives with dignity. It means calm and with self respect, and this work animated, it means excited to Mandela, and that transformed a frightened young man into a bold one, that drove a law abiding attorney to become a criminal, that turned a family loving husband into a man without a home, that forced a life loving man to live like a monk. It means that transformed a frightened young man into a bold person. And to do change something, Mandela started law abiding attorney. Attorney, it means legally honest law, which was a crime on that time in South Africa. Mandela changed that law, in which a man who loves his family like a father, a husband, and who separated from his family, and he forced to live like a monk. Monk, it means monastic life. And Mandela said, I am no more virtuous or self sacrificing than the next man. But I found that I could not even enjoy the poor and the limited freedoms I was allowed then when I knew my people were not free. It means Mandela says that he was not virtuous. Virtuous, it means not moral or not sacrificed his life like other black person. But he noticed he allowed the limited freedom. Then he could not enjoy of poor freedom because his people were not free like him. And freedom is individual visible. Freedom is not freedom is indivisible. The chains on any one of my people were the chains on all of them. The chains on all of my people were the chains on me. I knew that the oppressor must be liberated just as surely as the oppressed. It means freedom is individual. It means freedom should be permanent for every person. And Mandela made a chain in which all black people joined who were not free individual in South Africa. And with it, Mandela said that he knew well the oppressor. Oppressor, it means the cruelty of the white people in South Africa, and every black person wanted to free from this apartheid. Okay, students, there are the some important points in last of this chapter summary.